Hello friends, welcome to my channel Mathematics Knowledge. Today I am going to explain the topic continuity and discontinuity of the function. What is continuity? What is continuity? Continuity means without gap or breakdown. But in terms of function, it is defined as like this. Continuity is defined as, but in terms of function, it is defined as like this. The function continuity is a function or a graph which can be drawn without a breakdown or a jump. Now, what is continuity? Continuity in terms of function is defined as a graph which can be drawn without a breakdown or jump. When we said a continuity of a function exists or continuity exists, when the limit on left hand side is equals to limit on right hand side is equals to limit at that point is called as, then it is called exist and the function is called as continuous. Let us take one example related to it. Example: let f of x be a function where f of x is equals to x plus 2 for x lie between 1 and 2 and x lie between, and the function is x square for x lie between 2 and 3. Now I find the various values of f of x by putting the values of x between 1 and 3. When the value of x is 1, the value of f of x comes to be, for the function fx plus 2 is 3. When the value of f of x is 1.5, when the value of x is 1.5, the value of f of x becomes 3.5. Such like that, when the value of x is 2, the value of f of x for the function f of x is equals to x square is 4. Similarly, the value of x for the value of x 2.5, the value of f of x becomes 6.25, and for the value of x is equals to 3, the value of f of x becomes 9. Now I like to draw the graph of this function. is on y-axis and x-axis is this. We find that for the value of x is equals to 1, for the value of x is equals to 1, the value of f of x becomes 3. For the value of x is equals to 1, the value of f of x is 3. For the value of x is equals to 1.5, the value of f of x is 3.5. And for the value of x is equals to 2, the value of f of x is 4. And for the value of f of x, for the value of x is 2.5, the value of f of x becomes 6.25. For the value of x is 3, the value of f of x is 9. Now I join all these points obtained from the observation table. These 3 points are of the function obtained from the function f of x is equals to x plus 2. And these 2 points is obtained from the function f of x is equals to x square. Now, I discuss the continuity of the function, whether this function is continuous or not. I told if the graph is drawn without a gap or a breakdown, then the function is called as continuous. In this graph, we have seen there is no jump, hole or a breakdown or a gap. Therefore, this graph is a continuous function. This graph is a continuous for a function f of x is equals to x plus 2 and x square. Then this function is called as continuous function. Similarly, now I like to discuss the discontinuity of the function. What is discontinuity? If there is a gap or a breakdown in a graph, or if we cannot find the limit of the function or the limit of the function does not exist, then there exists a discontinuity, and some are removable and some are non-removable discontinuities. Here I discussed that discontinuity is defined as if there is a jump or hole or a gap in a graph, then it is called as discontinuous graph for the function f of x. There are 2 types of discontinuities. First is removable. Second is non-removable. discontinuity is defined as like this. If the function exists and it is not equal to the value is called as removable. Removable discontinuity. If in other terms, if the limit of the function such that left hand limit is equals to right hand limit of the function is equals to f of a, where a is the given point, then it is called as continuous function. But if limit x tends to a, left hand limit is equals to right hand limit, which is not equals to the point f of a, where a is the given point, then it is called as removable discontinuity. It is removed by changing the value of f of a. In this function, in removable discontinuity, f of limit of the function exists, but it is not equals to the given point f of a. Now let us take one example related to it. Now I find left hand limit and right hand limit of this function. Here the left hand limit and right hand limit are same, because x is when the value of x is not equals to 2, when the value of x is not equals to 2, the value of function is x minus 4, x square minus 4 upon x minus 2. And the value of f of 2 is 5. Therefore, the left hand limit of the function left hand limit of the function is equals to right hand limit of the function, which is not equals to f of 2. Now I discuss what is non-removable discontinuity. This is a type type of discontinuity for a real valued function f of x, it is cannot be removed at the given point c is cannot be removed by using any formulas or tricks. For a real valued function, f of x is said to have non-removable, removable discontinuity at point x is equals to c if limit of that function cannot exist. Therefore, it cannot be removed by using any tricks or formulas. Let us take one example related to it. Let f of x be a function for the value of function is equals to x plus 2 for the value of x is less than equals to 4, and the value of function is x plus 4 for value of x is greater than 4. Now I find the left hand limit and right hand limit of this function. Now I find the right hand limit of this function. The value of left hand limit of this function is 6 and the value of left hand limit of this right hand limit of this function is 8, which is not equals to the left hand limit value. Therefore, limit on left side of the function is not equals to limit on right hand side of the function. This type of discontinuity is called as non-removable discontinuity. Now I draw the graph of this function. This is f of x. This is x-axis. This is y-axis is taken as f of x and the x-axis is taken as x-axis. For the value of 4, for the value of x is equals to 4, the value of f of x comes to be 6. For the value of x is equals to 4, the value of f of x is 8, and for the value of x is less than equals to 4, the value of function is x plus 2, and for the value of x is greater than 4, the value of function is x plus 4. Now I like to draw the graph of this function. It comes like this. Therefore, the graph of the function is like this. For the function, this is x plus 2 and this is x plus 4. There is a jump or hole in a graph. They both are parallel to each other. They cannot meet anywhere. Therefore, this function is called as discontinuous function. Thanks for watching. If you like my video, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching.